Today, in First Minister's Questions, we've raised the issue about what Wales and the UK government will be saying in the climate change conference that will take place in Copenhagen at the beginning of December. Climate change is probably the most important issue that faces all of us. I don't want my children to suffer from indecision by politicians now. We need a deal at Copenhagen, and we need it to be the right deal. The scientists have agreed we need to see industrial nations make a cut of 40% in their carbon emissions. And today we asked Roger Morgan whether he agreed with that science. He didn't have an answer. We then wanted to know what Roger Morgan has been doing in conjunction with London to get ready for the Copenhagen Summit. Again, no answer. Of course, Wales can't do all this on its own, but we do have a role to play. The One Wales government has made very strong promises with regards to the amount of energy we have from renewable sources, but they're due to miss all their targets. Meanwhile, a project such as the Severn Barrage has been pushed into the long grass by the Westminster government once again. But it's clear from talking to Roger Morgan in FMQs today that he hasn't got a grip on this particular issue. And is there really anything more important for our future?